If you're a YouTuber, let's be honest, how many unedited raw videos are sitting on your hard drive because editing takes forever? You know, the editing process can be painfully slow and repetitive. You have to cut out the repeats, filler words, mess ups, all the cars passing by. All this stuff takes forever to edit. So that's why in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you a free way that you can use Claude AI to automatically edit your YouTube videos in under 60 seconds, all directly inside of Premiere Pro. But first, let's get breakfast. Subscribe to the channel. Okay guys, we just got back. So today we're gonna be working inside of Premiere Pro. We're gonna be using this AI plugin called AutoEdit Creator Mode, and it basically does a lot of the editing setup work for you. And also somewhere throughout this video, I'm gonna be giving away a free editing preset pack for content creators. So without further ado, let's dive right in and let me show you how this actually works. All right guys, we're inside of Premiere Pro. So we have this footage from this actual video right here that we're editing. How meta is that? And what we're gonna do is we're going to hit Window, we're going to hit Extensions, we're gonna click AutoEdit Creator Mode, and this is going to open up the Claude AI plugin that we're going to be using today. So to get this plugin, it's completely free to download and try out, and plus it comes with a free editing preset pack when you download it. So I've linked down to it below in the description. It's at autoeditai.net. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and first click Creator Mode. Now it's going to take us to this really cool tab where we can literally type a prompt of how we want our video to be edited. So what Claude is going to do is it's going to transcribe our video, and it's going to understand actually the topic of the video. So it's not just listening for standard silences and repeats and filler words, but it's actually going to understand the topic of your edit, and then it's going to go ahead and edit from there. So we're going to go ahead and click, this is a YouTube vlog, and we're going to say cut the filler words and pauses, or we can also say keep only last takes. And the cool thing is we can actually adjust this. This is a video about editing. You can fine tune this prompt to however you want. You can set this to the full sequence or the in and out points if you want. We're gonna do full sequence, and we're gonna say this is a casual video. I'm just kind of talking to the camera. Now I click edit rough cut, boom, my hands are up here. And what Claude's gonna do is it's going to send this audio to the cloud, and then Claude is going to go ahead and edit a rough cut for us. So you can see Claude is going ahead and preparing the edit for us. It's going to go ahead and listen for the best takes and do all this stuff while I can literally go ahead and get a drink of water. And boom, just like that, it is automatically edited our rough cut for us. And it takes us to this page where we can actually go ahead and make adjustments before we apply any edits. So the cool thing is, if Claude makes mistakes, you can go ahead and change it and adjust it. So let's go ahead and give it a listen. It said, this is a bad take. Yep, that is a good take. I would keep that. And then the cool thing is I can also go ahead and see all these other segments in here as well. So today we're going to be talking about, and you can see, like, let's say, actually, I'm like, you know what, I actually want to keep this one. And the cool thing is like, like I said, if Claude makes a mistake, you can just go ahead and edit it from this selector. So I can go ahead and, if I want to keep this line, I'm like, oh, actually, let's go ahead and keep this line. Like, you know, I might want to keep this. I can just click keep, and boom, it automatically adjusts it and restores it on the timeline. And then the cool thing is it actually takes a manual note of this. And then that way, in the future, Claude will be better trained to your preferences and actually make cuts that are stylized for your edits. So it's actually learning in progress as you provide more edits to it. So we can go ahead and go throughout this, and honestly it's looking pretty good so far. Like, it did a pretty good job. It's cut out a lot of the repeats and mess ups and kept a lot of only the good takes that I actually want to keep in the main parts of the videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit apply all permanent, and boom, just like that, our edit is done. And now we have a full edit of our video for us. I mean, that is pretty crazy. It's all clean cut, all the bad takes are removed. And now we can actually go ahead and add captions. Now we can actually go ahead and add captions. So we can go ahead and click the captions mode. And the cool thing is it's going to transcribe our audio for us. And then it's going to create stylized captions based on what we want to be said in the video. So let's go ahead and go throughout here. Let's say I want to do a different style. Let's make it more unique. We'll do something minimal. Honestly, this is looking pretty good. And then I can go ahead and adjust this so that it's max lines of 1 line per caption, and then we can go ahead and click generate. And just like this, it will instantly generate our captions for us and automatically apply it on our timeline, so you can see those captions are applied. And now you can see we have the captions done for us. So this is really crazy. Like, we're getting a really good rough cut of our edit so far in just a couple clicks. Like, this editing process would have taken me at least 3 hours to get to this point before in Premiere Pro, and now I can have Claude do a majority of this editing for me. Now, another cool thing is silence removal. So let's say you have a lot of silences and there's parts where you just like stop and hesitate and pause and maybe like contemplate what you're gonna say next. You can actually just automatically cut out all those silences automatically using Claude. So it will go ahead and detect where are the silences in your footage, and then boom, just like that, it's gonna go ahead and apply those silence cuts for you and then instantly remove those silences. So this is just a really cool way to make your editing process super easy. And then lastly, there's also a feature, this is not Claude, but it's just really helpful. It's a paste images from Google. So if you ever are trying to quickly add an image to your video, let's say you want to go ahead and, you know, just add this image, because like anybody would want to go ahead and add this image. You go ahead and hit copy image, but then when you go to Premiere, you realize you can't just paste images. You hit Command V, nothing happens. So this actually lets you read the clipboard, and then it'll go ahead and paste that exact image onto your timeline. And boom, just like that, we got 6.7 kid on our Premiere Pro timeline, literally from copying and pasting on Google. This is actually just really helpful, like, utility tool. It's not even really AI. Like, I'll tell you, I'll be honest, it's not AI. It's just helpful. And then lastly, like, it doesn't even stop there. There's a podcast mode. So this is particularly helpful if you have multicam podcast clips. So this is honestly like a whole other segment of YouTube editing. If you do podcasts, you know that you have different clips of your shots, so different angles and whatnot. And it basically looks like this. Like, you have, you know, the top footage of your first speaker, and then you have the bottom footage of your second speaker. And then the hardest part is that you literally have to go in and manually cut out all those bad takes and silences and mute the quiet parts for you. So this feature for the plugin basically lets you use AI to automatically detect what speakers there are. You can add speakers, you can subtract speakers, and then you can go ahead and analyze the audio, and it will go ahead and switch between all your different podcast clips, creating automatic camera multicam switching. So this is a really helpful utility. We have a full, more in-depth tutorial that breaks down this exact feature here. But lastly, I did just want to highlight on some of the free templates that this Claude plugin comes with. So if you know you edit YouTube videos, you don't always just want to have your face talking to the camera. You might want motion graphics like this. So this entire Claude plugin comes with a free full preset pack of motion graphic animation templates that you can literally drag onto your timeline, and they'll add stylized captions, animations, motion graphics to your video just like this, with just dragging and dropping. So this entire preset pack is free to download, and you can keep it forever when you download the Claude plugin, which is really cool. And then to adjust the text, you can just go to the effects and control panel, and you can type whatever you want it to say. And boom, just like that, now we have some animated motion graphic templates inside of our timeline. This looks super sick, and I can even go ahead and add some icons if I wanted. So I can use this other icon animation one, and boom, look at this. We got a bunch of motion graphic animations added to our timeline, literally by just me dragging and dropping. I'm telling you, this is super helpful, especially if you're a YouTuber who has to edit all of this from scratch.
So if you're a YouTuber, let me know what you guys think. Would you find this Claude AI plugin helpful for Premiere Pro? Now, regarding price, this plugin is completely free to download and try out, but there is a paid pro plan because it obviously uses a lot of credits to process all this audio, and especially if you're editing longer form videos, it's going to require a lot more cost to run it. So just FYI, there is a paid pro plan, but the plugin comes with a free editing preset pack that you can keep forever. So that thing you just get forever just by downloading the free version. I personally find this plugin super helpful just for the base editing setup work. I don't see it as the end-all be-all solution. I just think it's a great way to cut out all that repetitive, boring work of me having to manually listen to all the edits, me having to cut out all the silences, add the captions. Doing all that stuff manually no longer exists. I can just hand it off to Claude, and now I can focus on actually being creative and the actual storytelling. So if you want to check it out, I've linked down to it below in the description. Also, make sure to join our Discord server and follow us on Instagram and DM us if you have any questions or feature requests and suggestions, like, oh, this would be cool if we could do this with the Claude plugin, or can the Claude plugin add this to the feature set? Let me know. Would love to hear. Other than that, happy editing. Now, if you want to learn how you can automatically edit music videos and apply transitions and visual effects in under 2 minutes using AI, then you can check out this video linked right here.